Meet.
Yes.
Sengiyakushiya-ke mina
Mfethu lo muntu uthena umeet. Uthena umeet. It's breakfast as a breakfast. Uthu and meet.
Uthola zamagama into ayaziyo inguza le ihambe yini.
Oh, iyangiseva la iphethe uthe. Hayi le ntombi le ume nayo lapho.
Le ntombi le yakuphakela and imeet because wena uyishaya school.
Mfethu. Mina mfethu ngiyadedela le bhasa ngishaya ngoBrown.
Umdrop.
Ukuthi istation lesifoni angiyona la. Ngiyeza lapho.
Sengidropile.
Yo.
My sister. Lo muntu lo nengane ye5 years. That's too much phela. Bongazi the whole time. And usisi uthi le phone le bayayishare. Le phone le wena.
Mina ngenza isilima u2 years wona. Nenyanga futhi ngaphezulu.
Phela it is obvious ukuthi wena the whole time like you were a side chick.
Side chick njani because abashadanga musa. Abashadanga musa side chick.
But are you saying you're a man? You are not the main. That one who's with him is the main.
No, yeke main apha because sonke musa sidliwa ngendlela engi.
Nidliwa ngendlela eningi.
Indlela eyodwa. Senziwe into eyodwa. Like akekho ekuthiwa ufake iring mhlawumbe emnweni or something. And ngiyahamba manje ngiyakhona lapha yanga ngifuna ukuthi lento lesilungiseni sisonke.
So ufuna ulwela indoda yakho. That's what you are saying.
Vele yami.
Uzomlwela. I'm sorry. Maybe ngizokutholela indoda. I mean umuhle uzothola indoda for sure.
Ngifuna enye indoda.
Awuyifuni. Ukunika kamnandi lo.
Yes, that's why must ngimithi manje. Yeah. Now the step. So now the step. It was like,
I'm sorry.
Believe.
Look, when I'm going to see that like, I mean, you don't deserve this treatment. This guy is not treating you well. You have disrespect, and the fact that is even with a woman, they are calling you vote too. It means what they don't respect you at all. So why Melo when you push a relationship vangakufuna phela abakukila bakufuna.
It's fine.
Ngizokuthola lo muntu fresh uzothola a boyfriend. Hinda, did you see her legs?
Gosh.
Did you see her legs? Why will you feed this or gym?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes.
Embeden.
Anyway. Yonke indawo.
Oh ya gym. Ngiyabona your feet, your legs are fit.
Ne?
Ngiyakubona. Hey, and manje the guy is missing out. Kiyabanda uzomnika something.